Aloha guys, so today we have an unboxing of an SYMA X500 Foldable drone, and I got a little help with my little buddy there and my son. They're gonna open the box.
Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time.
Alrighty guys, so as you can see, it does come with a case, and I love that about having a case to put all my goodies in. And it does come with a remote, and that remote right there, it can hold on to your phone, so you can use your phone to record and stuff like that. And it has a charger, but for some reason I can't find it in my box. It's supposed to have a charger for the remote, so I gotta contact them and ask them if it's supposed to come with a charger, because I didn't find one in the bag. But everything else is in there. So the drone also has a charger. It came with 2 batteries, and it came with extra propellers, and it does come with a propeller guard, so in case you bang something, it won't cut up the propeller. So at least it does come with some extra parts as well, and the manual. And I like to point out another thing, that when you first feel it, touch it, it seems great quality, especially the case and the drone. It's not flimsy or anything. It's pretty solid. So that's one thing I like about that too.
Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes.
And I do believe the battery time is 20 minutes of flight time, if I'm not mistaken, so that's good.
You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time, and now you're out of time.
So even though if the remote part didn't come with the charger, I'm glad I had a charger here at home. But I've seen other people unboxing it and it did come in their case, so I'm gonna see if mine is supposed to have one as well. But in my case, it didn't have the charger for the remote. I can say that this is a great addition to our family. We're going to have a lot of fun with it, especially me and my kids. And we can do some filming as well up in the sky. So I'm excited for this. Yeah, so that's the charger for the drone. And it did come with a little screwdriver as well. And that would be the second battery. The first battery is already inside. I believe in the drone is already in there.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time.
And that right there is the extra propellers, so we can just kind of store it inside the bag. It comes with 2, I believe, and then 4 of the propeller guards. So this is his first time ever opening it up, so he's just kind of like checking it out and finding, seeing where he's gonna place things. So don't mind if it's a little bit long. I just wanted to play it since he wanted to help me out with my video, so I'm gonna play the whole thing. And thank you so much, Isaiah, for helping with this video. I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. I'd just like to thank the company for reaching out to me to review this product. I really had fun and I'm really glad you guys reached out to me. This is one of my favorite things I've gotten to review. So because I can use it, I can film with it. It's awesome. If you guys want to check this product out, I'll leave it linked down below, and it is from Amazon. It was about $198, I believe, but yeah, it's worth it. Alrighty guys, I'm gonna end this here, but at the end of the video, we were testing it out, and then I have a view of the camera on the drone, so that the camera quality looks pretty nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I shall check you guys out later.
I know that you're afraid. It feels like every day things are slipping away. You're slipping away, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. And you say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time.
Does it have to have the phone in there?
Now you're out of time. Never measure up. You'll never be enough. People say tough love. You should just suck it up, and you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts is so